Hi everybody, this is Math 10C. This is the exponents and radicals review, and this is short answer number 8. It's asking us to evaluate without the use of a calculator, and I know that's a little intimidating to ask people to do that, but what that means here is that some of this stuff should be pretty straightforward. For example, 5 to the 0 is 1. It doesn't matter what the base is, as long as the base isn't 0, okay? Some base to the 0 will always be 1. Now let's move on. 2 to the negative 3. Okay, well, we got to deal with that exponent. We're going to deal with this in two parts here, because there really are two parts to the exponent here. There's the negative, and then there's the value. So let's deal with the negative first. The negative is causing a reciprocal to occur, so that this is going to be equal to 1 over 2 cubed. Once the negative has been dealt with, now I can deal with the value of the exponent, and 2 cubed, 2 times 2 times 2 is going to be 8, so this is going to be 1/8. Over here, a similar sort of thing is going on here. We've got this to the negative 2. Again, there are two parts to that exponent, the negative and the value. Let's deal with the negative first. The negative causes a reciprocal. Now, I could think of this as 1 over 3/4. Okay, I could. Okay, we could do 1 divided by 3/4, but I hope that everybody sees that that just becomes 4/3, because you would have to multiply by the reciprocal. So just kind of leave that over there. So this really would become 4/3 squared, okay, because the negative does the reciprocating, and then I'm going to deal with the value here. And then because there's no addition or subtraction here, it's just division. That square is going to distribute to both of those, so I'm going to get 4 squared over 9 squared, or 16. Sorry, I anticipated the answer. It's 4 squared over 3 squared, which is going to be 16 over 9. Okay, now down here, oh, we got a lot with the negatives going on here. Okay, first of all, we're going to deal with that negative. No, not this negative. Okay, that is telling us that it's the negative 5 here. That's the value of the base here. We're going to deal with the negative in the exponent, because that's telling us to find the reciprocal. And so that negative is going to make this 3 over negative 5 to the 4. Just deal with that first, and that's all it does. That negative with the 5 is going to follow the 5. And now we're just going to evaluate these things here. 3 to the 4, because remember, this exponent of 4, because there's no addition or subtraction here. Now, don't look at that negative sign there as a subtraction. That's a value, okay, on the 5 there. So it's not subtracting 5. It's just minus 5. So 3 to the 4 is going to be 81. And negative 5 to the 4. Well, if you've got an even number of factors here, the negatives are going to disappear. So the negative goes away, and we're left with 5 to the 4, which is 625. And so there we go, 81 over 625.